In Elmira, the Water Board has started a project that would remove over 460 lead pipes that provide water to homes in the city of Elmira, Elmira Heights, portions of Horseheads, and Southport. WENY's Marcia Augustin caught up with the general manager of the Water Board to talk about the importance of removing these kinds of pipes. Marcia?
That's right, Nick. Mark LaDuce is the general manager for the Elmira Water Board, and he tells me the American Rescue Plan provides funding for infrastructure improvements through cities across the U.S. Now, a bulk of that funding will help complete the removal of the remaining lead pipes across our area. Now, the pipes that are being replaced are the service lines between the curb and sidewalk. And currently, the project has begun on West Church Street between Hoffman and Foster. Now, Mark tells me his team is removing 40 lead pipes there. Once they're done with that area, they will move on to Foster and Quinnipiac. Mark says they have about 460 lead pipes left to remove that service homes in the city of Elmira Heights, Horseheads, the town of Elmira, and Southport to replace before this project is completely done. Now, they are aiming to replace between 200 and 250 lead pipes this year with copper pipes. And Mark tells me what the city is doing to ensure what happened in Flint, Michigan doesn't happen here in our town.
I don't know everything that happened in Flint. I know they did change source waters. Our source water is quite stable as far as the chemistry and whatnot, and we do additional treatment at the plant to make sure the pH is in a level that minimizes corrosion, and we put a sequestering agent in the pipe in the water also that coats the inside of the lead pipe and keep that from going into the water.
And Mark added, the EPA is changing the lead and copper rule, which requires some more stringent testing and reporting requirements. They are trying to remove these last 460 lead pipes within the next 2 to 3 years. And Mark also explained most residents don't have lead pipes in their homes, but those who still do, it may be a good idea now to have them replaced. Residents who have concerns about lead piping should contact the Elmira Water Board, and we'll have all that information posted on our website in this story at WENY.com, Nick.